Welcome to the sixth and final video in our Open Fender System Installation Guide series for the 2017 Dodge Ram HD. In this video, we will be going through the process needed to install the fender flares onto the bass. Our goal is to provide this comprehensive instruction in manageable chapters and steps so that an individual will feel comfortable during the process. This is not a replacement for the professional skills and experience required. Disclaimer: this product is for off-road use only. All liability for installation and use rests with the owner of the vehicle. Careless installation and operation can result in serious injury or equipment damage, and for professional installation only. Chapter 8, Step 1. Installing the front fender flare. First, hold the fender into position and insert the top center bolt into the weld nut on the base. From there, adjust the flare into the correct position and insert the mounting bolts for each end of the fender base. Finish out the bolts and tighten the flare to the base using hand tools. The process for installing the rear fender flares will be the same as the process for installing the front fender flares. All steps should also be completed on the passenger side of the truck. Congratulations! You have now completed the installation for the 2017 Dodge Ram Open Fender System. Fat Force has gone to great lengths to perfect this system, knowing the risk of cutting your vehicle. Thank you for following the instructions and videos carefully to ensure proper execution. Welcome to the Fat Force family and the #40s No Lift revolution.